This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so in yesterday class, I taught you what is a double entry system and what is the golden rules of the accounts, everything. So, is there any doubts in yesterday's session? Is there any doubts in yesterday class?
No, ma'am.
Okay, good. So, in the last class, as we discussed about the golden rules, personal account, real account, and the nominal account. So, I told you today I'll just teach how to download the software of Tally, right? So, I just share my screen now. Hope my screen everyone can see here. So, the first thing you have to go to Google Chrome. So, today I'm teaching how to download the Tally software. If you have already downloaded, okay, good. So, if you're not knowing any how to download the Tally software, so the first thing, open Google Chrome. In an address bar, you have to type here Tally Prime Educational. So all, can anyone say have you opened Google Chrome? Go to Tally Solutions.
Ma'am, Tally Solutions 5.1.
Yeah, that is the latest version. So in my screen, you can see it is showing as upgrade now. I think in your screen, it may be showing as download, isn't it?
Ma'am, it shows as take a free trial, buy or rent, and instant demo.
Okay, so here there is an option here download.
Ma'am, even for Tally Prime, I'm getting two options in download. One is REL 5.1, that is Tally Prime REL 5.1, and
Yeah.
one is Tally Prime Edit Log 5 REL 5.1.
Okay, click on that first one, ma. Release 5.1.
Okay.
So I'm doing simultaneously. You can see here. So please go to Google Chrome, open tallysolutions.com, and whether you have a two options here, buy now and the download. So click on the download option. In that you have to select the first one as Tally Prime Release 5.1. So don't go to the edit log. Select the first one, Release 5.1, download. The same screen I am showing here. Okay, so after that, Go to downloads, you'll get one option is setup. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. I open the chat box. If you have any doubt, you can ping here. Are you able to download the Tally software till setup? Can you please repeat the website again? Okay, so I'm just putting in a chat box. Go to Google Chrome, tallysolutions.com. So this is a website name, tallysolutions.com. There on the top, you'll get buy now and the download option. Yeah. Sorry. Hari Junisa, can you mute yourself? Ma'am, which version to download? It is a 5.1. So they are given here Tally Prime REL 5.1 is there that you have to download. Don't go to that edit log. So you'll get two options over there, release 5.1 and the release 5.1 edit log. So you have to click on Tally Prime release 5.1. So is there any doubts? You got the setup box?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, actually I haven't downloaded the Tally Prime, ma'am. It is showing now the application started. Tally Prime will start with the following settings. Click to configure to change the settings.
Okay. See, I think I'm showing the. Can you able to see my screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See here, I am in a setup, right? So I'll just double click on this. Just this option you are getting, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, click on yes. And if you're getting this Tally Prime Setup Manager, configure more action and you'll get install option. Because already I'm installing, so it is showing as update.
Okay, ma'am.
So are you getting the same options here?
I just installed it once, ma'am. Then it is showing the application startup. So should I accept it or configure it, ma'am?
Accept.
Okay.
Ma'am, in mobile we are not getting, ma'am.
No, in mobile we can't because we can download it in mobile only for viewing purpose of balance sheet and P&L account. We can't pass any entries in a mobile. So please don't try in a mobiles.
Okay, ma'am.
So try it out in a laptop or a desktop. So those who are trying in a mobile, so please don't try it in your mobile because we can able to download but we can't pass any entries. I'm repeating again.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, after application startup, we are getting four options in that. I have to press that for educational, try it for free. That one only, no, ma'am?
Yeah, that one only. So that means your Tally software is downloaded.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm not
Yeah.
able to download the Tally software through laptop.
Okay. Okay. Which laptop are you using? Are you using Apple or normal Windows laptop?
Normal Windows laptop, ma'am.
Okay. So okay, once again you go to Google Chrome.
Hmm.
Go
Yes,
to
ma'am.
Chrome. Okay. Type there tallysolutions.com.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm showing the screen now.
The
You can see
website.
here. Yes, I am in the same screen. So there are two options here: buy now and download. Click on the download option.
Ma'am, that's what, ma'am. The download option, actually, the yellow icon is not shown. It's shown me in some other icon. I'm not able to press it.
Just scroll down.
I went on, ma'am. Tally, buy now. Download option
Hmm.
is not shown.
Okay. Are you in the same page what I'm showing now?
Yes, ma'am.
You're not getting download option here.
Ma'am, buy now option is shown, ma'am, but not the download one.
Okay.
I
Hmm.
Ma'am, it's showing REL 5.1 and edit
Yeah.
log something.
See here, I'm in the
Same,
same
ma'am.
screen. I think, yeah, same screen only, right? Just click on this, the
Yes,
left
ma'am.
one, the first one, 5.1, you have to click.
Okay, ma'am.
Then after downloading, you should go to downloads in that setup.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, again, I'm showing this one. You'll get setup option, double click on this and install.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, ma'am.
I was able to download it and I have got it
Hmm.
in my download saying setup, but if I'm trying to
Yeah.
open it, it's not getting opened.
Okay, just double click on this.
I double click, ma'am. If I'm clicking on it, I get a message box saying, "Do you
Like
want to
this
allow
only, no?
this?"
The same. Yes, click on yes over there.
I'm not getting the option of yes. I'm only getting an option of no, ma'am.
No, see, I'm getting like the same screen you're getting, right? The no is selected. No, just click on yes.
There is no option of yes, ma'am. It's only a no. There's
Okay.
no other option coming except for a no.
Okay, click on that show more details.
When on show more detail, it's asking to give it asks for either give a username and or something like that.
Did you give any username and password for your company? Sorry, for your laptop?
Yes, ma'am, but I'm even after I putting that, I'm not able to open it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, Pa.
It's showing four options: continue in educational mode and use license
Yeah,
from net.
yeah. So that means your Tally software is downloaded. The further things I'll tell you what you have to do. Let the
Okay.
screen to be open.
Okay.
Don't close the screen. Okay, I'll just open one Tally screen here. Hope everyone are getting the same screen. See, this is my Tally. I think you people are getting the same screen, right? What I am showing
Yes,
now.
ma'am. Yes,
Okay, so
ma'am.
let it be the same screen. I'll tell you the further things what you have to do. Let others download the Tally software. And what about others? So those who are downloaded the softwares, please raise your hands or just react here. Okay.
Uh, Ma'am, after downloading the software, should we
Mm.
click on accept or configure?
Accept only. Is it downloaded?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, ma.
Ma'am, for me it shows the alter tally prime 5.1, alter
Hmm.
to modify the configurations, applications release and application path. So with the three options it has been given: configure or more action or alter.
Configure more action and then
Alter.
alter.
Yeah, ma'am.
Here, this is a configure more action and you're not getting update also, install also, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
In place of this, you're getting alter.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You're getting the same screen that to install Tally Prime 5.1. So these are the same thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just click on alter. We'll see what the option it will come.
But it shows that no changes were found to alter. So press configure to make the required changes and press the alter to apply for the
Hmm.
charges.
Okay.
Should I again re-download it, ma'am?
Yeah. Once again, you try it out that one. Go to Google Chrome in
Yeah,
a
ma'am.
new tab.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, and what about others? So those who are downloaded the Tally software, so open Tally and let it be the screen as this is a 4 option. Okay, this is a simple procedure to download the Tally software. We should
Ma'am,
go
the
to Google.
first one is different
Yeah.
in ma'am. The first one says T, try it for free, and the rest
Hmm.
three are the same. So it's the same, right?
I didn't get you. See, I'm showing the screen here.
Not this one, ma'am. The Tally. I got it downloaded. I have reached that
Okay.
box where I get that 4 options. But
Yes.
in your option, the first one is T, continue in education mode. But for me,
Yeah.
T comes as try it for free.
Okay. 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 It's okay. No problem. The screen is same only. So you have to
Okay,
click on the
fine.
trial for free. In place of educational mode,
Hmm.
you have to click on trial for free.
All right, fine, ma'am.
Okay. Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, I'll continue now. It is a very easy to download the Tally
Ma'am,
software.
for others, should I need to
Everyone has
click on
downloaded, right?
education mode? Should I need to
Yeah.
click on education mode?
No, man, I'll tell you. I'm just explaining and then I'll come back to that one.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. See, the simple thing to download the Tally software is go to Google Chrome, type tallysolutions.com in a top menu, and then you have to click on the Tally that released 5.1 version. Click on download. You'll get one setup file. Double click on the setup file and then accept the things. The Tally software will be downloaded. Now, once you download the Tally software, you can see everyone can see this option, right? Educational mode or trial for free. Use license from network, reactivate existing license, and activate new license. Is it correct? All are getting the
Yes,
same
ma'am.
screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. See here, in a Tally, it offers several types of licenses based on the needs of individuals or a business. See, for example, for the Tally offers only for the educational mode. And here we cannot save the data and the limited functionality will be there in a educational version. For example, the GST reports. The GST reports we cannot generate in Tally educational version. I'm just talking about the first option is educational mode or trial for free option. Okay. And here in a Tally we'll be having here single user and the multi-user. Single user is nothing but it will use only for the single computer and it can be installed and used on this only one system and it was suitable for the small businesses with only one user of managing the accounts. For example, if I am using a small businesses, only one laptop I have or only one computer I have to maintain the limited accounts. I can go with the single user option while purchasing the Tally software. And what are the things we are just now we downloaded is a educational version. It is a free license version. It is not a paid one. It is a free downloaded Tally Prime educational version. On the top, you can see the option here Tally Prime EDU license. So it is in educational version. That's why it is showing as EDU. If I am using a license version, in here it will display Tally Prime license, the 5.1. What is the latest features we have downloaded? That option it will show here. And the one more thing we have here, multi-user. Multi-user, we can also call it as a gold license. See, single user, we call it as a silver license, and the multi-user, we call it as a gold license. In a multi-user, what will happen? The many people can access the data. For example, if I take a company, in a company, many accountants will be there. Manager, senior accountant, assistant accountant. So these are the peoples, they'll be using the multi-user of Tally. In a silver license, only one person can use the Tally software. And next one we have here in a Tally on cloud. So in a Tally on cloud mainly we'll be using for the remote access data. So for example, from the far places, we can collect the data by using Tally on cloud. And we have here rental license. So whenever we are purchasing the license from the Tally solutions, we have to pay the amount, whether it is a monthly payment will be there or annual payment will be there. For example, how you are recharging the mobile every month for 28 days or a 5 months or a 3 months, the same thing we have to purchase a Tally license from the Tally solutions company by paying the amount. That one we call it as a rental license. And one more will be having your Tally developer licenses. So that will be used for the developer, that is for customizing Tally. Customizing is nothing but what are the options is required my company. So I can use only that particular features. I don't want other features to in my company. So this one we call it as a Tally developer license. And here the one more will be having your auditors edition. In a auditors in edition, only the audit features they'll be using in a Tally software. So this will be used for the CA, chartered accounts, and the auditors. So these are the different license versions we'll be having in Tally. Now we have to use here educational mode and use license from network, reactivate existing license and activate new license. So just now I told you if you are using a single user or a silver user, multi-user or a gold license. So we have to purchase from the Tally, that is license from network. Reactivate existing license. For example, today is the last day of month. I have to pay the rent for the Tally solutions. I forgot to pay. So if I am paying again, they will reactivate the existing license. So whenever you are purchasing the license, along with the GST, we have to pay for the Tally solutions and we have to you have to buy that one and we can use it for the day-to-day transactions. And if I am purchasing the new license, I have to click on this activate new license. See here, the first thing I'll click on this use license from network. You can see the option here, information it is showing here, unable to find license in network. So I didn't buy it, So it will display the computer name, local host, and the port number. And reactivate existing license, activate new license. So these things, when you are purchasing the license versions of Tally from the Tally solutions, we can activate these other things. So right now I downloaded the educational version for the practice purpose. So I have to click on this educational mode. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, any doubts? Okay.
Ma'am, what is the differences between reactive existing license and active new license?
Yeah, for example, so I'll be using the license version only for the 1 year. For example, 2023 to 2024, that is a financial year, 1st of April to 31st of March. It is got get over. I purchased only for 1 year subscription. If I want to continue for the next year, I have to reactivate the existing license. Again, no need to
Okay,
purchase the
ma'am.
new license. So we can reactivate the existing license.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. So now on the top you can see here, these are the options. Under manage, we have here company, data, exchange, import, export, email, print, and F1 for help. See here, this one we call it as a primary screen options. Okay, so now we have to continue in a educational mode. So everyone click on this continue in educational mode. So which screen you are getting? Because already I have created the company, so it was showing the company.
Yes,
Ma'am, we are
ma'am.
getting a similar screen, but like there's no like company name. It's just showing the user's public
Yes,
tally prime data.
yes, yes. Okay. So all of you are getting gateway of Tally, right? So all of you are in a gateway of Tally screen.
Could you show it again? How did you get the screen, ma'am?
Ma'am, can you show it once more, ma'am?
Actually, this was a previous company what I was using. So that's why in a Tally it is showing this company. So in your screen, I think maybe it is showing like this. Is it showing like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Exactly.
Ma'am.
Yes. Because already I've created a company, so that's why it is showing the two companies here. You people have not created anything, so it is showing as empty. So here, before starting this, how to create a company. So I'll just show you the screen options here. So here, K single dash is there. Can you able to see this one?
Yes, ma'am.
So K, it refers company. Under K, there is a single dash. So not only in a K, we have your data, that is a Y. We have a single dash, exchange, we have a single dash, import, export, mail, print, and F1. See here, wherever in a tally, wherever we have a single line or a single underline, so we have to use here Alt as a shortcut key. For example, so this shortcut key for the company is Alt K. Alt plus that particular character. This is for single dash, it represents Alt, that is a shortcut key. And for double dash, it will represent Control. See here, so we can take here data is for Alt Y, exchange is Alt Z, import is Alt O, export is Alt E, email is Alt M, and print is Alt P. So directly if I click on Alt K from the keyboard, so if I click on Alt K, you can see here create, alter, change, select, shed. So these are the options will display. So any doubts in a primary screen option? That is a shortcut key what I said now, Alt K, Alt Y.
Ma'am, what was that you were telling about the double line?
Yeah, double line, the further things it will come. So you can see here. Okay, the double line thing will come in a further things. That time I'll tell you. Okay, so in tally, wherever the single dash is there, we have to, it will represents the alt, and the double dash, it will represents the control, and that particular specific characters. If I take like this, Alt K, Alt Y, Alt Z, so these are the shortcut keys. And here in a gateway of tally screen, you can see here current period and the current date. So it's not showing the proper one. And name of the, okay. So all of you are getting like the screen, right? So here we have data path name, number, period, create company, select remote company, specify path and select from drive, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now you can see the path here. So right now my tally is stored in a C drive. You can check it out. It will be stored in a which drive. So now I'll teach you how to create company in Tally. So you just click on this create company option. I'm showing here. Just click on this create company. All of you got the company creation screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Everyone
ma'am.
got the same screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the first option in a company creation, you can see here. So now we are in company creation screen and the company data path. So automatically it will display the company data path. And now I have to type the company name. So you can give, while creating the company name, you can give any name of the company. Either you can give your ID number or your name, anything you can give it as a company name.
Now we need to create the company name, ma'am.
Yes, you have to create the company. So please everyone go to Tally, open the Tally software, go to educational mode, go to create company. You'll get like this screen. So you have to type the company name. You can type anything as your company name. You can type your name, anything.
Ma'am, how to edit it, ma'am?
How to?
How to edit the company name? Like you cannot
You just
edit
use
it.
the backspace keys. Use backspace key or
No, no.
use delete key.
After giving enter. After giving enter.
Use backspace.
It's not working, ma'am.
It's not working.
No, ma'am. It's not working.
Okay, do one thing. Escape and go to create company option once again.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And what about others? Others can able to create a company name.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, after typing the company name, you just press enter. The same thing it will display as mailing name. So can anyone know what is mailing name? Any idea about mailing name?
This name of address will be, I mean, we can mail this name of addresses into the some other persons, ma'am.
Okay, no, it's not like that. See, mailing name is nothing but this is the official company name. So for example, so the company name will be like ABC company when doing the taxation and all. While paying the tax and all, that time they have to give the official name for the company. So that one we call it as a mailing name. So MCC 2024 private limited or public limited. So I have to enter the entire name of the company. That one we call it as a mailing name. So this will be mainly it is used for the official purpose. And the now next option will be having here address. So I'm giving one fake address here. So you can type the company address. You can type either your house address or your college address, anything. and you can press enter. It will go for the next line. So there is an option here to give a pin code. So I'm just giving one fake address here. Type the address. After typing the address, it is asking for state. On right side, you can see here it will display list of states. So it is showing the list of states. I'll just select here Karnataka, and country automatically it will display India. And now I'm typing the pin code and telephone number. I'll give one fake number. And mobile number, I'll give one fake number. Fax number, email, website. So these are the basic details of the company we have to enter here. And here, everyone enter the basic details. It's done.
You can give any mail, ma'am.
Yes, any name you can give.
Ma'am, can we give our own mobile number?
You can give if it is your laptop, so you can give your own mobile number. That is not an issue.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, ma'am.
Ma'am, after website, you're getting four things: base currency symbol, formal
Yeah,
name,
yeah,
suffix
I'll
symbol,
tell you.
and space. I'm only getting base currency and formal name, ma'am.
You're not getting other options, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll tell you how to activate that one.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So everyone done with this one, like the basic details. So on the right side, you can see it is showing here financial year beginning from. So what is a financial year in India?
Uh, 1st of April to
1st
31st of
April to
March.
31st March.
Very good. So 1st of April to 31st of March. That means my financial year. So I am starting a company. I am using from April to March. So that is what it is giving here. Financial year is 1st of April. And book beginning. Book beginning is nothing but, for example, I am starting my company in a August month or in a December month. So the book beginning will be the December month or a August month itself. So now I am using a Tally educational software. So I am using the book beginning from 1st of April itself. That means whatever the transactions we are doing in a Tally, it will be considered as a April to March only. So don't do any changes in this book beginning from. Let it be 1st of April itself. It's clear? Okay, now I'll come to this base currency symbol. So base currency symbol, it is showing as rupees for everyone, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes.
bookkeeping, book beginning,
So this
and book
base currency,
beginning from.
that is 1st of April only. Don't do any changes there. Let it be 1st of April because my company is starting from April itself. So that is what I am giving in a book beginning from. That means my company is starting from 1st of April.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, so in a base currency symbol, it is showing as rupees. Can anyone say why it is showing as rupees? Why can't in dollars or
Because
euros?
we have chosen country as
Because
India, so Indian currency is rupees.
Exactly. So here you can try it out by changing the country here. See here, I'll just take here UK. Now you can see automatically the base currency is changing pound. If I take here US, it will change it to dollar like this. Okay. So the base currency, it will depends on the country. And now on right side, you can see here, there is a list of option that is not highlighted, that is not activated. Like period is there, company is there, F4, F5, these are the functional keys, and group company. At last we have here configure. So period is nothing but from 1st of April to 31st of March. What are the transactions I have done in one financial year? So we can record in this period option. And company, so my company is creating now, and these are the functional keys. I'll tell you in a further classes. Group company, I'll tell you later, and this configure. So you just press click on this F12 in a keyboard. Otherwise, you can just click on the configure. See, in this configure, you can see what are the configuration we can activate while creating the company. For example, provide contact details, already it is in yes. And tally vault password, right now I am not using. Use user access control. So these two options I'll be using in a further classes. And here provide additional base currency details. I think someone asked, I'm not getting that entire full option. So just please make this option yes. Then you will get all the options in a base currency.
Ma'am, we are having one more option in this
Hmm.
saying set edit log applicability.
Don't do that one.
Okay, only for provide contact details and provide additional base currency
Yes, yes,
details, we
yes.
need to put yes.
Yes, only these
Okay,
two
ma'am.
options right now. I'll be telling the further classes. These are the options.
Can you tell again how did you get this configuration? Like,
Here on right side, in a company creation screen, on the right side you have a configure. You can see the functional key as well as F12. Can you see my screen now? I place the cursor here.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, click on that configure option.
yes, ma'am,
You-
got it.
Yes, yes. Got it, everyone? Okay. Now, so I'll come to this base currency symbol. You can see formal name is INR, and I'm not adding any suffix here and space between amount and symbol. See, this is nothing but I'll use like this rupees symbol. Okay, let me show it in a.
Ma'am, but we don't have that option.
You don't have, so you have to activate that one. Go to F12 configuration. See here, this option is this one. I've given here add space between the amount and symbol. That is, I'm showing in a Excel. You can see here, this is a symbol and this is the amount. In between, we have a space here. And then show amount in millions. No. Number of decimal places. So decimal places is nothing but if I take like this rupees 150.50. So what we'll call this 0.50 in Indian rupees?
Paisa,
What we'll call?
paisa, paisa.
Yes, so that one we call it as a, so this one in Indian rupees we call it as a paisa, in pound they will call it as a penny, and in dollar they'll call it as a cent. So that one will they're given here paisa, and number of decimal places for amount in words is 2. Like just now I typed here RS, that is a rupees. So this is an amount in wordings. So after this, keep on enter, and are you getting the confirmation window that accept yes or no option? Everyone
Where, ma'am?
down. I'm showing here.
Ma'am, can you repeat once again, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See,
Ma'am, from configure, can you explain?
configure. Okay, click on configure and tell me what are the options. Okay, I will open the screen now, and you can make yes only these two option. If it
Excuse
is
me,
already
ma'am.
yes,
Sorry for interfering, but the thing is where we are getting that set edit log, that if we do yes, we'll get all the options that what you have there.
okay, you're getting the same options here.
Yes, ma'am. Before that, we were not getting. After selecting that, we are getting all the options what you have.
Okay, so now you're getting
Now
all
we
the
are
options.
getting 5 options, ma'am.
Okay, so
Set,
because
edit, log applicability,
okay,
extra option.
Yes, in that manner, you have to press that set edit log ability.
okay, fine. So you're getting these are the options, right? Just press escape. Press escape from keyboard. You are getting the same company creation screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now keep on enter. Slowly keep on enter. Don't do it fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Keep
It's
on
showing up.
enter. Yes, it's coming as accept, right? I'm
Yes,
showing
ma'am.
the screen now. Yeah, so this accept yes or no, this box, this dialog box, we call it as a confirmation window. Say yes now. You can press enter, or you can directly take the cursor and click on yes. Anything it will accept. Press enter. So all of you
Excuse
are
me,
getting
ma'am.
this one. Hmm.
No, ma'am. We are
Yes,
getting
ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, ma'am.
Ma'am, we don't have the options. Only we have only two options, which is base currency symbol and formal name.
Yeah, that is what I told you. Press F12. Otherwise, on the right side, you have a configure option.
Yeah, ma'am.
Click on that configure option.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, and what about others? Everyone can able to create the company. All of you got the company create screen. Like I'm showing here, company created successfully.
Yes, ma'am. But we are not getting that much options.
Okay. At least okay. That I'll tell you that we have to do it in the settings only. That I'll tell you. So you are getting the screen right. Company created successfully.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and what about
And that's
others?
showing accounting,
Yes, ma'am.
inventory, and taxation.
I didn't get the option of accept.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
Accept yes or no.
Type yes. Click on
Not
yes or
showing at
press
all.
enter.
It's not showing, ma'am.
It's not showing. That in company creation screen, not in this screen. See, in this screen I'm showing. Just keep on enter slowly. You are getting accept yes or no like this. I'm showing the
Got
screen
it.
ma'am,
now.
Got it.
Hmm.
Ma'am, got it.
Okay, fine.
ma'am.
Uh,
Yeah, tell me.
But I'm not getting this option what you have in your laptop, ma'am. This show amount in millions and number of decimal places and all, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Go to configure. On right side, you can see the configure option. No?
Yeah, ma'am. There are 5 options, ma'am.
Yeah.
So you said provide contact details, it should be yes, and provide additional base currency details, it should be yes.
Yes.
So after that, what should I do, ma'am?
Press escape. In a keyboard, you have escape key. No?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you keep on enter slowly.
Yeah, ma'am, I got it, ma'am.
You got it now?
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm actually getting this screen which is currently there on your page. How do I go to that screen again?
No, that is just a alter. Okay, so everyone created the company, right? So this is how we can create a company in Tally. So if everyone created the company with your names, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you are getting your names and the gateway of Tally screen. Here it is showing your name. Can you mute yourself? Okay, now I created the company successfully. And if you want to alter the company, see this gateway of Tally is different and this primary screen is different. Now we'll start our work from company itself. Click on company and you have here alter. I am in a same screen. You can go to this company, click on alter.
Ma'am, after configure what we have to do, can you repeat it once again?
Press escape. Press escape, keep on enter and save the company. Accept or yes or no, it will come. Just say yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so all of you now company alteration screen.
Ma'am, can you repeat how to go to the company alteration screen?
Okay, see here, see everyone go to company. I am showing here. I am moving the cursor here.
Ma'am, how did you get this
Ma'am,
screen?
Press escape. Press escape. It will come to gateway of Tally screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Escape is a key. It is used to go to the previous screen. Press escape. All of you are in a gateway of Tally screen.
ma'am,
Yeah, please be on 1 minute.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, sorry, yeah, tell me. So all of you are in a same screen, right? Company alteration. All of
Yes,
you got the
ma'am.
gateway of Tally and go to company alteration screen. Go to
Ma'am,
alter. Hmm.
I'm not able to go to the company alteration screen, ma'am.
Okay. See, now you are in, okay. See, now you are in gateway of Tally screen, right? I'm
Yes,
showing
ma'am.
the screen. Are you in the same screen?
Previous screen, ma'am. I'm in.
Previous screen. What was the
Yeah.
previous screen?
It showed that the company created successfully an accounting inventory
Okay,
taxation
okay,
options with it.
okay. Press escape. Press escape.
I did escape, ma'am, but the options are getting edited here, but it's not going to the other screen.
Okay, press Control A and then escape.
Yes, ma'am, I got it. Thank you.
You got the same screen, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you can find company options here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, click on alter.
Got it, ma'am.
Okay, I think everyone are in a company alteration screen. So any idea what is a company alteration? Can anyone say?
Editing some addresses and company name.
Yes, very
Like
good.
after registering the company, like if there's any changes in any of the details, you can go and alter it.
Yes, exactly. So whenever if you're doing any alteration, any changes in your company, whether it is a company address or mobile number, phone number, email address, anything, we can do the changes here by using this company alteration screen. So I'm just changing the mobile number. So if you want, you can change the email ID, address, anything, and after that keep on enter. You can save. Again, you are getting confirmation window. Say yes, the company alteration is done. Is it clear?
Yes,
Everyone did this.
Yes, ma'am.
So any
Yes,
doubts
ma'am.
in this company creation and company alteration?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Everyone? Okay. So now I'll teach you how to delete the company. So to delete the company, I'll go to company option again. So go to company again, alter. Now you are in company alteration screen. I'm not going to alter the company. I'm just going to delete the company. So here we have a shortcut key to delete a company is Alt D. Press Alt
ma'am.
D. Yeah.
Where? What should we click, ma'am?
You're in which screen now? Are you in gateway of Tally screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go to company. On the top you have a manage option. Under manage you have a company. K option is
Ma'am.
there. K later. So click on that company. Click on alter. You are getting list of options here. In that you have to choose here alter. So all of you are getting the same option, company alteration screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I told you one shortcut key, that is a Alt D. So Alt D, it is used for the delete the company. If I say yes, I'm just clicking on yes here, and it is asking again, are you sure? Are you getting the same screen, the same dialog box here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if
Yes.
I say yes, the company will be deleting. See, just now I created MC 2024, the company got deleted.
We should also delete, ma'am.
No need to delete. So if you want to try how to delete a company, so create one more company and then you can delete that company.
Ma'am, will the records be kept anywhere saved, or if we create another other company with the same name, it will be registered?
Mm. Yes. See, okay, I'll just create a company. So those who are not I'm repeating once again how to create the company. So you should go to company, create company option, company name, and the mailing name, it will be displayed what we are given the company name. So mailing name will be using only for the official purpose, and you have to type the address, and these are the basic details we have to fill here. So I'm entering the website address. And the financial year is 1st of April and book beginning also 1st of April, and this is a base currency information. So I have selected the country as India, it is showing as rupees. If you are not getting all the options, you can go to configure option and you can say yes for the provide additional base currency details. You should make this option as yes. After this, press escape and keep on enter until you get the accept window. So this one we call it as a confirmation window also. Press yes, the company is created successfully. So once you are getting the company created successfully screen, just press escape. So this is how we can create a company. And if you want to alter the company, alter is nothing but if it is there any changes, if you want to do edit some information, whether it is a mobile number or a telephone number or address, so you just go to company alteration screen and do the changes and save it. And if you want to delete a company, the same procedure, go to company, go to alter, again it will open company alteration screen. And what is the shortcut key you have to press to delete the company?
Control D.
No. Just now I said the shortcut key to delete the company.
Alt D.
Alt D.
Alt
Alt
D.
D.
Yeah, Alt D, it is used to delete the company. So right now I am not deleting this company. So this is how we can create a companies in Tally. We can alter the company and then we can delete the company. Is there any doubts here?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
when we created the company name successfully, the one thing
Mm.
we used the escape option, and one more
Mm.
shortcut key you said, no, ma'am. What is the shortcut key, ma'am?
To delete a company?
No, ma'am. To escape from that.
To escape from that. Okay, so that is not a shortcut key actually. To save all the information, that I'll tell you in a further classes. To save all the information, we are using in Tally Control A. See, for example,
Okay.
I'm showing. Here alter. For example, I change the address and all. I change the mobile number or whatever it is. I want to save instead of keep on pressing enter. I'll just press here Control A. If I press Control A, automatically everything it will be saved. Is this clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
Even
But that time you just said one more shortcut key to come back for this gateway of Tally. With
no,
the
that one
escape
only.
option, you just
Control A only.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. So any doubts? Everyone understood how to create a company, alter the company and delete the company?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So any doubts?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, good. So the next thing we'll move on here. So in this company, they are given some shortcut keys here. Change F3, select Alt F3 and set Control F3. See here. Okay, just click on this select option. The shortcut key is Alt F3. Click on select option here. It will display list of companies that it is showed in a Tally software.
Ma'am, can you repeat once again, ma'am?
Yeah, sorry.
Can you repeat once again, ma'am?
Yeah, go to company. In a gateway of Tally screen, go to company and click on select. I'm in a same screen, go to company, click on select.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It will display the number of companies you have created. I think everyone are getting only one single company, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you can see the number here. How many digits number are it showing here?
6.
6. Okay, so that is the identification number for each company that Tally will provide. You can see here in my screen. So this is, it will start from 150 zeros and 1001 and here it is 10002. So this is a number every time whenever we'll create a companies in Tally, it will give the unique identification number to identify the particular name of the company. For example, if two students will create a same company name, but the Tally will identify with the identification number. So every time the Tally will provide unique identification number to identify the Tally company. So this will not be the same whether it is a 5-digit or a 6-digit, the unique numbers will be there here. Okay. Now, so this is what you can select the company from the multiple companies. And now I'll show you this shed company. So this is not a delete company, it is just closing the company. Like for example, I opened one notepad file here. I want to close the file. So the notepad is closed, but it is not the notepad software itself, it is not deleted. The same thing, just click on the shed company. It will just close the company. The company will be saved in Tally data, but I'm just closing the company. If I want to open again, you can just click on this, it will open the company. You can try this shirt company. Go to this company options. Either you can select company from the multiple companies or you can shut the company. Shut company is nothing but it will just close the company.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, when we clicked on the shed option,
Hmm.
it shows the list of companies, what the company name, what I have created, ma'am.
Yeah. See.
So after that, what?
Shirt company, it is showing like this only, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that means the company is closed. See, whenever you'll come to know the company is open, just press enter or you just click on this particular company name, you'll get the gateway of tally screen. So whenever you'll get the gateway of tally screen, the company is opened. And you can see along with the current period and current date, and you can see name of the company, gateway of tally screen. It will indicate the company is opened, otherwise the company is closed. So these are the shortcut keys. Alt F3 to select the company. Shed company is Control F3. And we have delete company. Can please mute yourself. Okay, delete company. Just now I told you the shortcut key. That is Alt D. So understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So everyone able to
Yes, ma'am.
create a company, alter the company, delete the company, and also shut the company.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these are the options will belongs to company. The shortcut key is K, Alt K, because there is a single dash over there. So we'll, wherever the single dash is there, so we'll be using here Alt. So you can make down of these are the shortcut keys. So I'm just giving one assignment now. That is a simple assignment. Create any 5 companies and in the 2 companies address and mobile number should be altered, and 1 company should delete. So this is your assignment. So you have to create a 5 companies, and out of 5 you have to change the address for 2 companies, address and mobile number, and 1 company you have to delete. Is it okay? So can everyone can do this one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So okay, what about others?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, so is there any doubt in today's session?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I have only one question regarding yesterday topic. I told you that the company is developed in a year. So which year Tally is invented? Can anyone say? It is belongs to yesterday topic.
1990.
No. So in which year Tally is invented?
2009.
1986.
Yeah. So who said to
It is
1986?
1986.
1986.
Yeah. So it was invented in 1986, and the company called we used to call the company name as Pewtronics Private Limited Company. Okay. So is there any doubts about today's session?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Everyone
No, ma'am.
understood, right? How to download Tally software, how to create a
Yes, ma'am.
company, how to
Yes,
alter
ma'am.
the company, and how to delete the
Yes,
company. So I've
yes,
given
ma'am.
one simple assignment that you have to do 5 companies and alter in a 2 company and delete 1 company. So this is the assignment for today's class. And in the further classes, I'm going to teach these are the options in Gateway of Tally.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.